One of my subscribers asked me how we grease up the shocks on this Land Rover, so today that's exactly what we're going to do. So you've taken the wheel off the top, and underneath is just two screws to take the actual suspension mount off. Then it's just a matter of twisting and pulling. It's got a little pair of lugs there that sit inside, so you just got to twist that and take it out, take the spring off, and this is pretty much empty. And then you're going to take just some multi-purpose grease that you'd use on your car. Get a dollop of it like that. Stop that. And then just ram it in there. A bit more grease. Don't worry about too much going in, because it'll just push its way out. You can wipe that down once it sort of stabilizes. Okay, put your spring back on. Push that in and then give it a squidge. As you can see, there's a little bit of excess coming out from the spring, so just give that a bit of a wipe, because you don't want too much on the outside. It'll just collect dirt, which is fine, but as long as you remember to wipe your springs down after every run, if it's heavily greased. But that's it. That's literally all you have to do. All 4 springs, put it back on the car, and she'll roll so much smoother.